Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I'm going to show you ordering of fraction. First, we have least to the greatest, and second, we have greatest to the least. Least to the greatest, we have 1 over 2, 5 over 6, 2 over 3, 2 over 6. Now, what we do for the first one, we say solution. We have to make the denominator to be equal. What we look for the LCM, which is lowest common multiple. And the lowest common multiple of the denominator of 2, 6, 3, and 6 is 6. So what we do, we have to write 6 for the first one, we write 6 for the second one, 6 for the third one, and 6 the denominator for the fourth one. Then the first one, what do you think that we will multiply to give us 6? We say times 3. If we times 2 by 3, it will give us 6. So since we times the denominator by 3, we also times the numerator by 3. And when we do that, 1 times 3 will give us 3. We do that for the second one. 6 is already the denominator, so we don't have to do anything here. We have to retain the 5. We move to the third one. We have to times this by 2. If we times 3 by 2 gives us 6, then we times the numerator by 2. When we times the numerator by 2, it gives us 4. And the last one is 6 already. We retain the 2. Now, what we do next, we compare the numerator. And the options here says least to the greatest. The lowest numerator is this. So therefore, we are having 2 over 6. Then the next one is 3 over 6. And 3 over 6, we have to retain the original question, which is 1 over 2. The next one is 4 over 6. Retaining the original equation, we have 2 over 3. And the last one is 5 over 6, which is 5 over 6. This is the final answer. We move to the second one, which is greatest to the lowest. We do the same thing. We look for the LCM of 5, 10, 4, and 10. The LCM is 20. Then what we do now, we make here to be 20. 20 the denominator, 20 the denominator, and 20 the denominator. What do you think that we multiply by 5 to give you 20 is 4. 4 times 5 gives you 20. Then we also do for the numerator times 4, which gives us 16. What are we going to multiply by 10 to give us 20 is 2. 2 times 10 gives us 20. And we multiply the numerator by 2, which gives us 6. What are you going to multiply by 4 to give us 20 is 5 times 5, which gives us 15 over 20. What are we going to multiply by 10 to give us 20 is 2 times 2, which gives us 10 over 20. Next, what we do, we compare the numerator since the denominator are the same. And what are we looking for? We are looking for the greatest to the lowest. The greatest numerator is this, which is 16 over 20. And 16 over 20, we have to retain the original equation, which will give us back to 4 over 5. The next one is 15 over 20. The original equation is 3 over 4. And the next is 10 over 20. And 10 over 20 will give us 5 over 10. The original equation, 5 over 10. And the least is this, which is 6 over 20. 6 over 20. So the final ordering of this fraction from the greatest to the least is this. If the solution I have given helped you, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.